All right, what are you standing in front of there, Dad?
This is a 1950 four-door sedan Fleet Line Special. The Special being a little less chrome and stainless steel on the car. Otherwise, it's identical to a Deluxe. It's got a 216 cubic inch six-cylinder Chevrolet engine. It's totally stock. The engine has been rebuilt because the head was cracked when I bought it. And I rebuilt and painted the engine compartment so it matches the color of the outside. It was in pretty tough shape when I bought it for paint-wise. It needed a lot of rubbing work and cleanup work, but it's all original, been painted once, original color. The interior is totally original. The seats are all from the time it was new. It's original seats.